Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Title of the project: Bridge Rectifier. Group members: Chavan Shrikant Shesharao, Chavan Manohar Vijay, Dal Divya Sanjay, Dhangar Abhishek Anil, under the guidance of Professor V.N. Jadhav. A bridge rectifier circuit is a common part of the electronic supply. Many electronic circuits require rectified DC power supply for powering the various electronic basic components from available AC main supply. We can find the rectifier in a wide variety of electronic AC power devices like home appliances, motor controller, modulation process, welding applications, etc. A bridge rectifier is a alternating current to direct current converter. Bridge rectifier rectifies main AC input to DC output. Bridge rectifiers are widely used in power supplies. It provides necessary DC voltage to the electric component or devices. Bridge rectifier can be constructed with 4 or more diodes or any other controlled solid state switches. Depending on the load current requirement, a proper bridge rectifier is selected. Bridge rectifiers are classified into several types based on these factors: types of supply, controlling capability, bridge circuit configuration, etc. Bridge rectifiers are mainly classified into single and three-phase rectifiers. Both these types are further classified into uncontrolled, half-controlled, and full-controlled rectifiers. Single-phase and three-phase rectifiers. A single phase or three phase supply decides these rectifiers. The single phase bridge rectifier consists of 4 diodes for converting AC into DC. A three phase rectifier uses 6 diodes. This can be again uncontrolled or controlled rectifiers depending on the circuit component such as diode, thigh resistors, and so on. Bridge rectifier circuit diagram. Bridge rectifier working principle. A single phase bridge rectifier consists of 4 diodes and this configuration is connected across the load during the positive half cycle of the input AC waveform. Diode D1 and D2 are forward biased. Diode D3 and D4 are reverse biased. When the voltage more than the threshold level of the diode D1 and D2 starts conducting, the load current starts flowing through it. Advantage of bridge rectifier. The main advantage of this bridge circuit is that it does not require a special center tapped transformer. High output voltage, higher output power, and higher transformer utilization factor. In case of a full wave rectifier, transformer utilization factor in case of a bridge rectifier is higher than that of a center tap rectifier. Disadvantage of bridge rectifier. The main disadvantage of a bridge rectifier is that it needs 4 diodes. The total voltage drop in diodes becomes double of that in case of center tapped rectifier. Losses are increased and rectification efficiency is somewhat reduced. Another disadvantage of bridge rectifier is that the load resistor and supply source have no common point, which may be urged. Application of bridge rectifier. The main application of bridge rectifier is to convert AC power to DC power. Because of their low cost compared to center tap, they are widely used in power supply circuits. This can be used to detect the amplitude of modulated radio signal. Bridge rectifier can be used to supply polarized voltage in welding.